right, we're going to do a tapping session. This is going to help you feel calmer, more centered, more like yourself. And we are going to specifically work on loneliness. So loneliness is not always about being with someone, but sometimes it can feel lonely when we don't belong or people don't see us for who we really are, where we've tried to fit in rather than feeling like we belong. So we tend to all carry some kind of grief around this and some anxiety as well. So we're going to do some tapping. So we're going to say, even though I sometimes feel lonely, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Ooh, I'm feeling the release already down my neck and spine. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Go to the top of the head. Even though I'm feeling lonely, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. It can be pretty heartbreaking when people don't see us for who we really are, or we don't feel safe to show them who we really are. Or even sometimes, when we're with people, but we don't feel that connection or feel safe to feel connected to these people, that can feel lonely. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Oftentimes, anxiety is a feeling of being totally alone. So it's not just alone with your pain, but alone like in the universe. Like it feels like there's no connection to a higher power, that there's a divine order or anything like that. So that can be can cause a lot of anxiety up here and a lot of energy to get stuck there. So tapping up there is going to be helpful. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go the outside of the eye. Even though I sometimes feel lonely, good. I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Feeling that energy draining down the back and the shoulders relaxing, at the top of the shoulders and in the back. Good. Let's go under the eye. Even though I sometimes feel lonely, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go under the nose. Even though I sometimes feel lonely, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. I feel like we need to put our hand on our heart too. So when we do that, we help to build oxytocin. So that floods the body with oxytocin, and that's the bonding hormone, and it helps us to bond with others, but also with ourselves. It's very healing for the body. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Feeling a yawn come on. Here. Even though I'm feeling lonely at times, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. So we're underneath the collarbone if you're listening. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Got a yawn coming on. Good. Energy's moving down my back. Go to the center of the chest. Even though I'm feeling lonely or have felt lonely, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Feeling the jaw relax, feeling tension behind the ears going. Good. A yawn's coming on. Let's go the outside of the body. Hands width down from the armpit. So we're processing out any anger and worry. Sometimes we get angry that people don't see us for who we really are. and that makes us feel lonely. Sometimes we try to pretend to be something we're not. We wear masks, and that can make us angry and make us sad, feel disconnected from other people. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Sometimes there could be worry that you're always going to feel that way. The truth is we're here to connect with each other. And it takes time to find our people, but when we are our authentic selves, that's when we start to attract the people who are meant for us. We're at the hand. I'm going to tap on the grief. I feel some yawning coming on. I've definitely suffered with this at times in my life, feeling like I don't belong, feeling like people don't see me for who I really am. It's a very common feeling. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the top of the head. I'm going to say, even though I felt lonely at times in my life, feel free to change this if you're currently lonely or if you can think of a specific time. This is just helping to access that energy and information that's stored in the body that it ends up causing us to have dis-ease. So we wind up not feeling great in our body when energy and information gets stuck. Good. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Good. That's real good. Shaking out my arms. Okay, let's go to the outside or the inner eyebrow. Good. I feel another yawn coming on. Even though I felt alone at times, I deeply love and accept myself. Sorry about that. Good. Let's go to the outside of the eye. Even though I felt lonely at times, misunderstood, an outcast, all alone, I deeply love and accept myself. That was the rest and digest. That's what we want. It's a good sign of a reset. Good. Another yawn. Oh my goodness. Gonna go under the nose. Even though I felt alone at times, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Feeling more energy draining down the back. A lot of fear energy gets stuck here. A lot of anxiety energy also can get stuck back here. So if you feel that releasing, that's a really good thing. Good. Another yawn. Holy moly. Take another huge deep breath in and out. I'm going to go under the lip. You can keep tapping and watching this or tapping on your own. And this is a great way to relax the body, but also to release some energy and information around loneliness. Feeling like we don't belong. Good. We're under the collarbone. Good. Please share tapping with anybody you know who you think needs it. So many people are suffering, and the world is a better place if we all tapped. Let's go here. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Hope you enjoy the rest of your tapping. One last yawn for you. I love you.